Hi everyone, this is Alex. Thank you for purchasing my Team Strengths Grid. This is a quick update video to show you an additional feature I've added to the template that would help you when you are using it. Now, one of the feedback I received is this. When you enter a list of entries into this template, you sometimes find that the total sum of number of talent teams does not tally, right? In this example, there are 35 people and a total of 173 talent teams, which means 2 are missing. There should in fact be 175. Where are the 2? Now, if you were to look at it manually and trying to find where the number is in this sea of 35, 175 different teams, that can be very daunting. So what I've done is to add a checking mechanism down here in the serial number column. You'll find that number 14 and number 30 are highlighted. This tells you that there's an error with these 2 rows. So if I go to number 14, I'll find that I have 1, talent team 2, talent team 3, and talent team 4 is missing. Talent team 4, if I were to look at this column for the top 5 talent teams, I'll find that it is positivity. Now, if I look closely at the text, I'll find that positivity is in fact typed in with an error. There's a missing I. All I have to do is to go to number 14, positivity, add an I, and you'll find that it is no longer highlighted. And if I were to check the grid, number 4 under positivity has appeared. So the next error that we have is here, line 30 for this person. And if I were to look at the numbers, I have 1 for significance, but 2 for relator is missing. So if I go and look at the text again, I'll find that for relator, the spelling looks correct, but there's a very difficult to detect error here. There's an additional space between after the R of relator, and you can see that as in the space between the R and the comma. All I have to do, again, go back to row 30, find relator. You can see that there's a space. Backspace, remove that and remove that space in the data. Now if I go back, I'll find that 30 is no longer highlighted, relator looks fine, and it has come up. Now if I look at the total number of talent teams, you'll find that it sums 175, which is correct. So just be aware that the typo errors can cause a problem in the extracting of the data from the grid. So 2 ways that would make it error-free. One is to download it directly from the Gallup Strength Center. The other way is to use a Google form whereby your clients get to choose from a list of 34 drop-downs. That would eliminate any chance for typo errors. Now, if you need some help with how do I create a Google Forms for that, please check out the webinar that I have created specially for you that tells you how to do so. The title of that webinar is Productivity Hacks for Strengths Coaches. So just a very quick update for you. I hope you find this useful, and let me know if you have any other feedback on how I can improve this further. Thank you very much and see you around.